Hi, today we are going to discuss questions on simplification, emphasizing acquiring calculating speed with accuracy. All the questions we are discussing today are very important as they are taken from the memory based questions asked in the previous year's bank exams. Question number 1. Here 17 plus 3, 20, 27, 5, 51 first number. This cancel and minus 0.1, so answer is 50.9. You may not understand how I did this, but you need at least the speed for easy success. Please listen, I am going to explain everything behind this calculation. Here, first 17 minus 3, minus 17 minus 3, it is 20, minus 20. Plus this 7, total minus 27. So I am writing first that minus 27. Now we have a plus 32. So minus 27 plus 32 is very simple. You know the difference 5 with a plus sign. So it is plus 5. So altogether plus 5 we have. Now a 46 is here, a plus 46 is here. So plus 46 to that 5. The sum is 51. So that 51 I am writing first. 51. So other than that of 51 are there, they are decimals. So decimal calculation. Here 0.29 is here, 0.01 is here, both are in negative side. So we can say total minus 0.30 or minus 0.3 it is. But fortunately a plus 0.3 here. So we can cancel these. Now we left with 0.51 minus 0.61. It is minus 0.1. So this is the final stage, minus 0.1 or 0.1 you need to subtract from 51. So answer is 50.9. Question number 2. Here 20, 10, minus 10, 8 hundreds first. 62, 34, a shortage of 4 comes from there, then another 100 minus, and then we left with 61, 54 minus 7, minus 7, and 0.15, 0.15 cancel each other, 9, 7 minus 0.03, then we can say answer is 692.03. Now look at the way I do these calculations. Here, first I take this as 20, 100. This is 200 and 800. Both are in the left side. So left side together form a 10 hundreds. While shifting that 10 hundred to right side, because we need to find this question mark, so we need to shift all other things to right side. As a part 8 plus 2, 10 hundred shifted to right side, it will produce minus 10 hundred. So that minus 10 hundred produce from this 20. Already we have 20. So this minus 10 hundred then together produce a 10 hundred. Now in the right side another 200. So initially focusing on hundreds. That 200s, subtraction of that 200 produce 800. That part I am writing first. By just looking that we can say this is 800. Now the remaining part other than the hundreds. This is 62. This is 34, together 96, shortage of a 4 for a beautiful 100. So take that 4 from here, minus 4 from there, the remaining is minus 61, but that 4 contributed to this side or contributed to that number will produce a beautiful 100 minus 100. So that 100 I am writing here. So its case is very clear. Now we have only 7 hundredths. Now the remaining portion, this is 61 now, and already we have a 54 in plus sign. 54 minus 61, you know, it is minus 7. So you need to subtract a 7, that 7 I am writing here. You need to subtract 7 from that 700. Now we go to the decimal part. It is 0.15 in minus sign. Actually it is plus, shifting to that side it will be minus, so that it is in your mind it is minus sign, minus 1.15, and it is plus 0.15. That is why I cancel these two numbers. No need to consider that numbers. This is 0.70, there is a 0.27, so together it is 97, 0.97 in minus sign. So you need to subtract 0.97 from this number. It is now very simple, but the subtraction, it is very easy while we are subtracting a beautiful number other than that 0.97. So that is why I am adding a 0.03 on both sides, on this plus side and on that minus side. So the subtracting number will become a beautiful 1, so you need to subtract 1, but don't forget to add that 0.03 to this number. So you can subtract 7 plus 1, total 8, so it is 692, but this number addition will produce 692.03 is the correct answer. Question number 3. Here multiplication and addition take place. So I need to write the first step and only then I can solve this problem. Here 7, 3 is 21.35, 29, 582.9 plus 196.12. Now a 4 shortage means 200 by this number, 600, 800 first, and now we have the remaining portion. It is 350237.3, 800.37, 800.3, yes, it is the correct answer. Look here, first 3.5 into 6.1 you need to take. I just write that number as this number. How it is possible? 3.5 into 6 I am taken as 2 into 3 plus 0.1. You know the multiplication step. 3.5 into 2 into 3 I am taking. 3.5 into 2 is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. So this part I am doing first. Now it is 21. And then 0.1 into 3.5 is 0.35. While multiplying with the 0.1, you need to shift 1 point to left side. That is why 0.35. So altogether, this is 3.5 into 2, 7 into 3, 21. And then 0.1 into 3.5, 0.35. So together 21.35, and that number I am writing first. You can solve it in your mind. So second case, this is 7.25 into 80.4. Wherever a number ending with the 0.25, try to multiply it with the 4 first. So 7.25 into, from 80.4 I take 4 as common. So 4 into the remaining is 20.1. 4 into 20.1. Now 7 into 4, you know, 28. 28 plus 0.25 into 4, it is 1. So a total together it is 29. 29 into 20.1 you need. First you take 29 into 20. 29 into 20, 580 plus 29 into 0.1 is 2.9, together 580, 2.9. So that I am writing here. Remaining one number 196.12 I am writing as it. Now the calculation. Here 196. Shortage of a 4 for a beautiful 200. So I take 1 from here and 2 from here. But you need one more. So that one 0.9 plus this 0.1 together 1. So all together form this number 200. Now that is a beautiful 200. This is now only a 580, that 2 is already taken. This is 20. So this 20 to this number, that will also become a beautiful 600. So this is now a 600. That is 200. Together it is 600 plus 200, 800. That 800 I am writing first. Now we left with 0.35 and also with 0.2. Total 0.37. So that 0.37 we need to add here and it will be 800.37. For you as a competitive exam aspirant, the main thing is to practice maximum number of questions. So it's very important to find time for practice. Thank you.